doesn't subscribe to a singular learning paradigm, but to the activity of learning itself. The responsiveness is at the very core of how we perceive the everyday functionality at the school. This means that the learning spaces will not be fitted specifically to the classic subjects such as math, biology or music, but to the activities related to them. The classic division of subjects into disciplines divides rather than joins our perception of how things work in reality. In order to make the different disciplines capable of correlations and interchange, we propose to expand the classical use and incorporate an activity-based functionality. This means that the school's different spaces hold different spatial qualities, which suit certain activities and subjects, but not limited to one singular use. Instead, the responsive spaces support experiential learning so that the students and teachers can seek out and switch between a multitude of different settings and qualities according to the project, working method, and subject at hand. The eaves of the roof cantilever over the complex immediate surroundings like the protective brim of a hat, which carries a series of highly positive properties with regards to functionality, design, and technical aspects. Firstly, the roofed areas have obvious qualities in terms of providing shelter from snow, rain, sun, and wind, so that the outdoor activities can take place almost all year round regardless of the weather. Taking into account that the rainy season starts at the same time when the temperature becomes mild and allows more outdoor activities. Secondly, the eaves also result in an operational advantage by protecting the building facades from the elements so that they last longer and require less maintenance. Thirdly, they prevent problems like interior overheating during summer, while at the same time reducing the need of blinds and sunshades, which obstruct views to the outside landscape. Special emphasis is put on the spaces in between the buildings along the ring. They are programmed for a double purpose in order to utilize the potential of both access points and links between different functions. These roofed common spaces combine the elements of intimacy and contextualization that tie the wider complex of school buildings, the central campus, and the surrounding landscape together. Architectural competitions contain both positive and negative aspects that bring out the best of our skills and our experiential repertoire, and that bring out the worst, the possible misinterpretation of the written word. The most efficient way to relieve the latter is dialogue. Up until now, the continuous dialogue has changed our interpretation on some specific matters in a good way. Our proposal is an invitation for collaboration. We are intrigued by the ambitious goal of reinventing the concept of educational space in the form of a school park that actively interacts with the surrounding society in the context of a modern world. The smart school Meadows is a smart choice.